Alright, many of you expressed dissatisfaction to the fact that I put Windows ME on this Deskpro. So, I made some changes, and I hope you like it. Let's see what those changes are, shall we? Well, it's still a Compaq, and it still has Windows Millennium Edition on it. Now, I can tell you a secret. The reason I put Windows ME on it is because I'm upstairs. The disk I wanted to put Windows 2000 on it, was downstairs in the basement, which requires a lot of work to get to. However, I was actually quite pleased with the way that Windows 2000 works, or Windows ME works on here. And what I did is I made it a little more Windows ME-er by installing quite a few programs from the era. Let's see, what have I done? I actually wasted a lot of time doing this, which is kind of funny. Obviously, I put Office in here, if you see that. For some reason, I got CCleaner on here, even though I haven't run it. Your normal Windows ME games, Clip Gallery, Encarta 2001. I've got Return of the Arcade Anniversary Edition, Midtown Madness 2, Motocross Madness 2, Pandora's Box. For some reason that got installed, I don't know how. Office Small Business Tools, Microsoft Office Tools, Microsoft Plus Pack, Cards and Puzzles, blah blah blah. Bookshelf 2000, Microsoft Works, I think that's 96. Let me see here. Register later. It's Works 6.0, so whatever that was. This all works pretty well, actually. I do want to put either two. I think I want to put 98 on it, but I'm too lazy to do that at this point. Got Firefox on here, Navigator, Opera, which is actually what I was using last night. Power ISO, QuickTime, VLC player. You'll understand why I did that in a minute. WinRAR. I got Office. Let's say this is 2000. Yeah. On here. Haven't really used much of this. What the heck is this? And how do I get rid of it? Can I get rid of this? Close. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Picture it publishing. And I think that's 9.0. Although it's probably about to yell at me because it's not. Yeah, version 9. So I'm not going to waste a whole lot of time on this. Like I don't want this to seem like a rant thing. Let me see here. I was using Opera. Watch it do what it does and come right up to my Facebook page. Yeah, came up to the computer repair. Funny thing is that this really doesn't do that bad for being 196 megs of RAM and was this a 500 megahertz Pentium 3? It's relatively usable. I mean, I wouldn't try to, but what I forget what version of Opera this is. But it's somewhat usable. I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, let's just close that. Do I want to try to play one of these real quick? There was one game I was trying to play on it, but I can't get it to install right for some reason. Okay, I don't know what that was about. Rainbow. Ah, crap, I don't know what I just did. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. So this should... Crap, I probably should have went for... My mouse and keyboard are not... I'm not too worried, but I hope the controls are simple. I have one other thing I want to do, so I don't want to waste too much time on this. Like, what I want to do is actually a legitimate test. This actually doesn't do too bad. I wish I could see the frames per second. I can't. I need to look at the controls. I've never actually played this game before. Alright. Quit event. So that actually works pretty decently. What did I want to do? Oh yeah, Windows Movie Maker. This is in here. I took 47. Wait. See which they are. And here I am over here. Okay, that's the second. Looking at this computer. So let's see. Ah, that's a shame. I was gonna try. I was gonna try doing a video or doing a movie maker thing on it. Just putting those two clips together, but I guess I can't do that. But in all reality, yeah, let's see what CCleaner does on here. Because I didn't even know they had it for Windows ME. Does that mean that Specky would run on it? There've been a lot of weird issues. Like I'll be honest, I have had some weird issues. Like I said, I was trying to install one game, and it just wasn't happening. This is kind of crazy that it's taken. Still found less than it does on a fresh install like Windows 7 or Windows 10. I'm just gonna install Specky just to see what happens, or see if I can install Specky. Last night, a friend was talking to me, and he said that he would like to build a performance Windows 98 machine. I'm like, yo, I got the perfect thing right here because of what I paid for it. I'm not. I'm like, dude, since he's like my best friend, I'm like, dude, I'll give this to you. He thought that you could actually go on the internet and do daily life things with Windows 98, and I had to explain to him that that's simply not the case. I'm like, dude, I know I uploaded a picture to him for me being on Windows 90 or Windows ME on Facebook. I'm like, dude, that's really stupid of me. That's really not a good idea. But my network is a little more advanced than the average person's network. So I can kind of get away with it because everything is behind a firewall. I said, but going on Facebook was actually incredibly stupid. He's like, oh, I didn't know that. I'm like, yeah, now you do. So let's never speak of this again. This website does not want to seem to come up. Well, actually, that's why I have different web browsers on here. Firefox takes a long time to come up. Wish I had thought about this when I had this DVD with all my stuff on it. Yeah, for some reason, Firefox takes a while to come up, but it actually seems to work pretty decently. However, I don't know if that's... For some reason, that link wasn't working. I'm really more so curious as to if this will actually work. I don't really care what it really says. I just want to see if it works. Sorry if my phone is making noise there. Nope. Yeah, that's not going to work. Oh well. So this is pretty failed. I did the Tried doing the Windows Movie Maker thing, that didn't work. Tried doing the what was it? The game worked. I just didn't know the controls. Uh, One thing that does annoy me, and I have the other. I have the Deskpro EN, which is the 1 GHz Pentium 3. That can be my Windows 2000 machine. I have the AMD K6 350 over there. That's a really nice ME machine. So I think this will be my Windows 98 machine. Oh, and I've got the Packard Smell over there, which is my Windows 95. But here's what annoys me about IS, because this is what I would be able to play a game, because I don't have any blank CDs right now. I was going to do this, but it says Power ISO. What? Yeah, you should be able to read that. Virtual drive requires 2000 or XP above, or 2000 XP or above. So that didn't work. Yeah, the VLC player works. Oh, yeah, real quick. Oh, hey there, Rotella. My cat wants to sit in my lap right now, which is not going to work. Open disk. This is really not going to work. Play with VLC player. There you go. Yeah, so this isn't playing a DVD. That's awesome. Well, does Windows Movie or Media Player 9 play DVDs? Oh, by the way, I took out the CD drive and put in a DVD burner that I had. Yeah, this seems to be locking up. Oh yeah, this is good and locked up. Well, that's my first blue screen of death on Windows ME in close to well over 10 years now. Um, yeah. And it won't even let me eject the CD drive or the DVD. So, I think what we're going to do is call this a video. So, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.